Introducing Garden Bench Silhouette Stamp Set Mini Delight, 2 beautiful sentiments and 4 gorgeous butterflies. The coordinating die set will create a gorgeous bench to put your butterflies around and create some fabulous scenes, as well as cut out 3 of the 4 butterflies. We have the first side of the bench, and I'm showing you just want to line this up. You want to leave a little bit of the black showing on the side of the brown to line up your bench seat. And then this one we put so you can align it close to the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get these 4 butterflies stamped out. Super excited. So we'll get that first layer stamped down. That's the A1, B1, C1, D1 layer. Now we're moving on, and that's with pink diamond. Now we're moving on to the A2, B2, C2, D2 layer, and this is going to be with Pinkalicious. And then our final layer, A3, B3, C3, and D3 will be with Obsidian Pigment Ink. So there are 4 butterflies and our cute little bench. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your beautiful Mini Delight garden bench. Here is some fabulous inspiration. These are amazing from our designers. Make sure to check these out, and we can't wait to see what you create. To find out more about Mini Delight Garden Bench and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.